Hello everyone, welcome back on my channel Nutan Online Study. Today in this video we will see how to make lesson plan on the topic greenhouse effect and global warming. So this is for class 8 and the same lesson plan you can use for class 12th also. Okay, here you can see previous knowledge. So for that we have to write that students are already aware of importance of sun and various gases that is present in greenhouse effect. So students are aware of that. General aim to let them know what is greenhouse effect and its benefits, to let them know what is global warming and how to prevent from it. Specific objectives to enable them to understand the concept greenhouse effect and to let them know what is global warming and how it is harmful for us, and some prevention also. Okay, now here is the introduction question. You can see 5 question I have added. First is what is natural source of energy, and the student will answer sun is the natural source of energy. What do we get from sun? So we get light and we get energy from sun. What will happen if sun do not reach earth? Then student will answer all living being cannot live without it. Then we have to ask, do you know how sunlight reach up to earth, and do you know about gases that trap sunlight? Then student will say no. Last question, have you heard about greenhouse effect and global warming? It would be problematic. Here we have to explain and we have to give statement of our aim. Okay. Now here you can see presentation 1. Here you can see all the content. Whatever is important we have to write here, as well as we have to write on blackboard also. Here are the list of question you can see here. Here you can see what is greenhouse effect, how the excess of CO2 dangerous, how does CO2 rise, how CO2 rise and become excess, and here are the expected answer. Here you can see blackboard work. Okay. Now here you can see teacher explain with the help of chart. After explaining them properly, we have to also use our teaching aid to explain them. Here you can see chart. Okay. Here you can see presentation 2. Here is all the content, greenhouse gases, and here is the question that we have to ask to students. Name some greenhouse gases. What is global warming? And here are the expected answer that we expect from students. You can see here. Now here you can see blackboard work. Okay, so this is how it should look like. You can see overall. Now here you can see rest part of presentation 2. Global warming and crypto protocol we have to explain, and here you can see understanding. Here you can see the list of the rest of the question that we have to ask to students, and here are the answers. Okay. Here is our blackboard work that we have to also write on blackboard. Here after explaining them properly, we have to also use teaching aid. Here is the okay. Here is a recapitulation. What is greenhouse effect? Name some greenhouse gases. What is crypto protocol? Okay, and here are the expected answer. You can see. Okay. Now it is the last page of our lesson plan. Fill in the blanks. Application and evaluation. Fill in the blanks. You can see. So here 4 question you can see clearly. Okay, and here is home assignment. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, then please do not forget to like, share and subscribe my channel. And for PDF, please comment me yes in the comment section below. We will meet in next video with another topic. Till then, bye bye.